All right, so if this strap, the anti-migration strap, ever falls off, I'm going to teach you how to put it back on, but first I'll show you the kind of openings of where the strap goes through. So you can see on this one for number 4, it goes through the front, then on the back, number 5, it goes through here, and then also right here as well too. So say if this piece, the anti-migration strap popped off, I'll teach you how to put it back on right now. So let me just pop it off real quick here. Alright, so the Velcro always closes like this for a right knee brace, and then the other way for a left knee brace. So let's just say this one's the right one. We're going to do it up. So we're going to do up this strap just like this, and then we're going to grab the front strap of the 2, which is number 4 for this brace, and we're going to put it right through that front opening right there. So sit down while I do this. Good. That goes right through that clip, so we can do it up right away if you like. I'll go right through that clip. Good, and then the other strap, you just flip it over, and there's those 2 openings remaining that you're just going to feed this through now. Good. And then this one goes right through here. Perfect. And then that can pull nice and tight. I always leave number 5 done up during the strapping sequence. I never really undo it at all. Just retighten it when you get to it, just because if you do undo it, there's more of a chance that this pops out and you have to put this anti-migration strap back on. But that's pretty much it.